Today we talk about women's right in for working women. If working women face problem while doing the work, like for example, being harassed and tortured by boss, colleague, or any outsider coming, or then what she should do depends on the what kind of incident happened with her. For example, I'll say that she has mobile, she is on the reception, she is maybe by mistake she gave her mobile number to the outsider client, stranger client, because he asked for the mobile number. That boss is not available. If he comes, then he requested her that she should inform him. So number given by the reception, that lady, to the stranger for his benefit, not for her benefit, and he is taking undue advantage of this and start giving her missed call, and then start talking with her, try to influence her, and sometimes so happen that she is not interested even to receive the call. Then she gets number of call. She reach home, then she also get blank calls. She has family, in-laws. In-laws are suspicious nature, husband is of suspicious nature. Then problems create for her. Then she get missed call. Maybe the husband think that maybe someone or his her boyfriend calling her, and she is not talking to him because of the presence of the family member. So what she should do? Whenever she gets a wrong call, immediately she should not wait. She can dial police number where she's in Delhi police area number is there on the Google. She can immediately search to the Google and ask for the helpline, women's helpline. She get the number and she should inform that I'm getting blank call from such and such number and I'm being harassed and tortured. Immediately police will call her and tell him that this act should not be repeated again. If such kind of act will be repeated again, then he will be penalized. It's all. In case someone chase her when she go out after office hour, she has problem again. What she should do? Nobody is with him. The time is too late that she cannot call any help from any side. So what she should do? She dialed the concerned areas women's helpline and immediately tell them where she is standing. Location, if she tell the location, in front of location which is the main sign point, she should mention immediately the van will come and she will get the help, and the person who chasing her will be arrested, or accordingly the police will inquire and immediate action will be taken. Second incident. Third incident. If she is facing problem with the boss, what she should do? Again, she has to take care about her job, and what she should do, whether she should leave the job or any other action. What she can take is that she can go to the police station and lodge a complaint against him that she is a working woman, and since this and this date he has been harassed and tortured. She should mention the date, time and place, number or time it has happened. So how he has tried to harass her, is manually, physically, or verbally, or through mobile, or showing dirty movies, whatever he is doing, the act he is doing, she should mention all the details in the complaint, and accordingly police will call him, inquire the matter, accordingly he will be punished. These are the information about working women. Any queries, if you want to know, my mobile is mentioned. You can always please to contact me. Thank you very much.